More breaking news updates coming in, and Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu has in fact visited a number of Congress leaders since this morning. In fact, he has reached the residence of he visited a short while back the MLA Madan Lal in Punjab's Patiala with 6 party MLAs. He's also having a meeting with 6 other party MLAs and State Minister Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa in Patiala. Remember, Sidhu has also in fact invited a few MLAs for lunch this afternoon. Let me go across to my colleague Gurpreet for more on this. Gurpreet, we can see that a number of back-to-back meetings that Sidhu is holding there in Patiala. Also, he's planning lunch diplomacy of his own now, calling certain MLAs for lunch this afternoon.
Well, that is the only strategy which is left with Navjot Singh Sidhu. Because one side we have seen that Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amarinder Singh, he has been projected himself as a mass leader, and whereas Navjot Singh Sidhu, he has just entered the party 4 years ago, and no MLAs was with them. But yes, of course, those MLAs who having grudges with the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amarinder Singh, they are holding series of meetings with Navjot Singh Sidhu to just give a strong message to Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amarinder Singh, that during the government you did not accept our demands and now we are opposing you. And that's why these are the only MLAs list which we are getting at this point of time. They have already been speaking in so many platforms against the government, and they are gathering together, and that is the only option which is left with Navjot Singh Sidhu to convince the party high command. Yes, he has some MLAs on his side, and that's why this whole political activity is going on. But at the same time, this is very important to tell our viewers. Captain Camp is also active, and one meeting has already been scheduled there in Delhi, where Member Parliament Pratap Bajwa is going to hold a meeting with all MPs, whether it's the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and other 10 MLAs from Punjab. They are openly coming and they are mentioning this name, and they are saying that any decision related to Punjab politics should be taken after consideration with the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amarinder Singh, because he has been a Congress leader for the last 2 years. So this political activities are only for getting the supremacy from the party high command, and these MLAs are also trying to settle their scores at this point of time, because they can understand, read in between the lines that this is a real time to put your value in front of both the camps, and that's why these meetings are being held at various locations. And Navjot Singh Sidhu is overactive for the last 2 days because he wants that any time announcement can be made, and this is the only picture which I can show to the party high command that what is happening at the ground.
Right, so Gurpreet there giving us the latest as far as Sidhu's strategy is concerned. There are more breaking inputs coming in on this Punjab political turmoil story. More breaking updates coming in, and after MP's meeting in Delhi, now 10 MLAs came openly in support of CM of Punjab and decided to appeal to the party high command that any decision in Punjab will be taken after taking Punjab Chief Minister in confidence. So there are 10 MLAs who are openly coming out in support. Let me go back to Gurpreet for more on this. Gurpreet, so we can see 10 after the MP's meeting in Delhi, now 10 MLAs are coming out openly in support of Chief Minister of Punjab and saying that any decision on Punjab should be taken after consulting the Chief Minister.
Well, that at this point of time, the major thing which we need to look and tell our viewers that how the party high command will react, because that is very, very important. And now the questions are being raised over the party high command, that committee which has been constituted by the party high command to resolve in fighting within the Congress. Do they able to do all these things? No. Because now we have seen yesterday a lot of MLAs who are tight-lipped, who are waiting for the party high command. And the way Navjot Singh Sidhu is doing political drama at various places, whether it's Panchkula, whether it's Chandigarh, whether it's in Patiala, No, these MLAs, these are the MLAs who have been working for the last more than 10 to 15 years within the Congress, and they say that they have been born in Congress. Now they have openly come out and say that the High Command should consider a decision and everything after consulting with Captain Amrinder Singh, and that it means that the Delhi High Command has failed from all the front to even resolve the issue, and infighting has already been escalated, which we have been reporting for the last 2 days, and today we can see that it's transparent, and it has already come on the record where we can see that these Congress netas, they are coming and holding camps. And if we can talk about Navjot Singh Sidhu, Cabinet Minister Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, who was one-time loyalist to Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, and he has some misunderstanding with some bureaucracy, and after that he has raised a lot of voice there, and the moment he got this opportunity, he started supporting Navjot Singh Sidhu. So this is the real equation which we can explain to our viewers, that how this infighting has already been escalated in the state, and it seems that the Delhi formula has failed from all the front. Till the time the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, is not going to be taken into confidence, more and more problems will be generated in the state.
Right, Gurpreet, thank you so much for getting us all these breaking updates as political tension continues to simmer in Punjab Congress.